qualifying into the quarterfinals. Number 6, SEC 2023. The Skinne Beetle, hoping to qualify for the quarterfinal. Up against the Uncle from Oslo. Aging in. Ready.
Det tar neste år.
5 minutes. Kan ikke gjøre det, bare 4 minutter, så...
Sweden against Norway. Semi-finals to select the final 2.
What did the engine come out of?
That's regular bus transporter.
And so what size would that have been?
Stock?
2.2 are they originally, or
2.1.
2.1.
112 horsepower.
And what size is it now?
2.8.
2.8. With what size turbo?
Oh, this bigger.
Just a bigger.
It's a precision 80. 81, 82. It's a special match wheel for me. It's regular 83 or 84 impeller. They have cut it down a little bit to give my application.
Okay. And what sort of power? Do you know if your dyno didn't got the power?
It was dyno, yes. Last year is
1100
on the wheel.
On the wheels, on a hub dyno, yeah.
Yeah,
that's amazing, right?
So it's about 1300.
And are we going to be going again tomorrow after this? Some flat out runs tomorrow?
We will see.
We will see.
Yeah.
Well, good luck. You stay safe, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Great.
Cars in Europe, medal 7 seconds, 7.94 last week. Jens Petter Branstorp in the secondary to the new Skinne Beetle. World Famous Skinne Beetle. In the right-hand lane, he runs a giant turbo, brand new crankshaft for this year. Reached the ultimate goal of 7.94 last week. Turbo engine against small, naturally aspirated engine. We have Austria in the final. Who is he gonna meet? Let's get ready, ladies and gentlemen. This is it.